morning students. Welcome to the session. Now today's topic is associative memory. Okay, what is the associative memory? Okay, let us discuss about the associative memory. Okay, next what is the CPU can execute the program with the help of address. Okay, with the help of address. Okay, it consisting of the CPU executes whatever the program it may be with the help of address only. But in the associative memory, with the help of, it can be produced with the help of context. It can be executed with the help of content. Okay, that's why it is known as a content addressing memory. Okay, content addressable memory. Okay, generally the CPU executes the program with the help of address only. Based upon the address, it can be executes the program. While in the associative memory, it can be execute the program with the help of content. What is the content available in the memory? That's why the associative memory is called the content addressable memory, that is abbreviated as CAM. Okay, here the time required to find item and stored in memory can be reduced considerably if stored data can be identified for access the content of data itself rather than by an address. For example, already I said the CPU can access or execute the program based upon the address only. We have to identify the address, then only the program will be executed. But in the associative memory, okay, with the help of content, what is the content available in the memory, then only they can represent the item stored in the content, then only the program will be executed. That's why the associative memory is called the context addressable memory. Okay, here the memory is capable of finding an empty. Unused location to store the word. Okay, here for memory associative memory, the memory of capable of finding an empty unused location to store the word. In associative memory, we contain some data that is in the form of word that is stored with the help of empty memory. Okay, next, when a word is to be read from associative memory, the context of the word or part of the word is specified. Okay, whenever the memory is finding empty, then only word is placed in that memory. Okay, when the word is read to be associative memory, the context of the word and part of the word is specified. The context of the word and a part of word is to be specified. What is associative memory? Associative memory is nothing but content addressable memory. Content addressable memory, that is abbreviated as CAM. Okay, whenever the data that is present in the context, the content is present in the memory, then only associative memory will be represented. Then only the program will be executed. While compared to the normally, the CPU can execute the program based upon the address. We have to identify the address and then only the program will be executed. But in the associative memory, based upon the content, we have to know about the memory, know about the address of the memory, and the program will be executed with the help of content. Okay, here the memory is capable of finding any unused location. The memory has to finding unused location to store the word. When a word is to be read from associative memory, the context of word or part of the word is to be specified. Next, this is a block diagram of associative memory. This is a hardware implementation of the associative memory. Here we have argument register. This is an argument register that is denoted by A. Key register that is denoted by K. Here this is the associative memory, array and logic. Here this is the associative memory. The associative memory represents the array. It represents a 2D array. Array and logic. M words and N bits per word. Here the associative memory has a 2D array and logic and M words and N bits per word. Here the input is given to the associative memory. Here the read operations and the write operations are performed. Okay, here read and write operations are performed. This is a match register. Okay, this is the match register. Okay, this is nothing but match register. This is the argument register, key register, associative memory. It consisting of 2D array and logic, m words and n bits per word. In any memory we have how many? We have to represent how many number of words and how many number of bits. That is, words is represented in m and bits are represented in n. Here the output is generated of associative memory. This is output and this is the input. Here in associative memory we have to perform read and write operation. Okay. For here the argument has one data. For example, the argument has 1 0. Okay, the data is matches with associative memory. Here the data is available 1 0 or 1 1 or 0 1. Okay, here with argument register, here compare it between the argument register and associative memory with the help of key register. Okay, here what is the performance of key register? It is used for comparison. Comparison of data of argument register and associative memory. Here the key register role is a comparison of argument register and associative memory. This is a key register comparison. Here the key value is 1, then only the comparison will be occurred. Then only the comparison will be possible. If key value is 0, there is no comparison between the argument register and also associative memory. Okay, here the comparison is done with the help of key register only. Whenever the key register is 1, then only the comparison will be occurred between the argument register and associative memory. Whenever the key register is 0, the comparison does not require both the argument register and also associative memory. Here the associative memory represents a 2D array. Already we know about the array. Okay, it is represented in the form of 2D array and some logic we have to implement in the associative memory. Here we have to take m words. For example, we have to take m words. M word means any number. Okay, m words and n bit per word. Here the match register. What is the performance of match register? Argument register and associative memory has matches, then match register will be performed. The argument register and associative memory has compared. The same numbers are identified in both argument register and associative memory. The match register will be performed. The match register is performed. Okay, this is a match register. Okay, this is about the associative memory hardware implementation. Okay, the only 3 leftmost bit of A are compared with memory word because K has 1 is in this position. For example, you have to take the argument register, key register and comparison of words. Okay, why you implement it? For example, you have to implement with some values. Okay, A is here, A is argument register. Here A is argument register, K is key register. Okay, these word 1 and word 2 are the associative memories. Here the comparison is between, already we discussed in hardware implementation of associative memory. For comparison is done between the argument register and associative memory. Here word 1 and word 2 are the associative memory. How the memory is matches. Okay, for key value, key register is 1, then only the comparison will be occurred. This is the argument register. Argument register has some data 101 4100. Here K has a 111 and 5 zeros. Here word 1 has 100. Here K 111 100. These are the values. Just you have to assume that argument register has some value, K register has key register has some value and word 1, word 2 has some value. We have to identify whether the argument register is matches to associative memory. Okay, associative memory. Okay, the key register is what is the performance of key register? It comparison between the argument register and associative memory. Argument register has 101. We have to compare with word 1. Okay, here 100. There is no matches. Here we does not comparison these values. Rightmost bit does not compare. Only these 3 bits are only we have to compare. 101 in the argument register. Here word 1 of associative memory is 100. Here no matches is occur. Okay, there is no match. Here from word 2. Okay, here we have to identify in the argument associative memory. We have M words and N bits. Okay, here M word 1 and word 2 are related to associative memory and compare it to the argument register with word 2. Here 101. Here the word is 101. Here match will be occurred. Compared with associative memory is compared with argument register 101. Here word 2 has 101. Okay, this is about the example of what is the comparisons, what we will done with the comparison of argument register and also associative memory. This is about the example of the associative memory with the help of hardware implementation of associative memory. Okay, the 3 leftmost bit of A is compared with memory word. Okay, 3 leftmost bit only compared with the memory word because K has 1 in this position. Why you compared only leftmost bit, only 3 bits in the argument register and associative memory? Here key register has only 111. That's why we have to take only 3 most bits of comparison between argument register and associative memory. Okay, this is another associative memory of M word and N cells per word. Already we seen in the associative memory implementation, hardware implementation. Hardware implementation in associative memory consisting of M words and N bits per word. Okay, here what is that? You clearly discussed about what is in M, what is M word and what is N bits per word. We have to identify, particularly in hardware implementation. Okay, this is a particularly in hardware implementation, we have argument register, key register. Only we have to see the associative memory has M word and N bits. We have to identify only in what are the implementation, what are the hardware implementation in associative memory. Okay, consisting of M words and N bits per word. Okay, this is associative memory, M word and N cells per word. Here AI, AJ, AN are the argument register. Here KI, KJ and KN are the key register. AI, AJ, AN are the argument registers. Argument register. Here KI, KJ, KN are the key register. Here this block contains the associative memory. Here C1I, C1J, C1N. Here we have to take, this is a word 1, word I, word M. Okay, this is known as a cell. This is nothing but cell. This is represented one cell. That's why we have to call it as C1I. Okay, C1J. This is another cell. This is another cell. C1N. Okay, CI1, CIJ, CNN. These are the cells. CMI, CMJ, CMN. These are the cells all represented in the associative memory. Okay, in this, okay, if one or more unmasked bit of the argument and word does not match it, M is clear to 0. Here also we have to perform a comparison between the argument register and also associative memory with each individual cell. Here this is represented the row. This is a represent word 1 represent the row and word I represents, this is represented as column. Okay, we have to comparison the row operation and also column operation. That's why you have to denote it the C1i, 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 here also C1i, here CMI. Okay, we have to represent the row wise and the column wise. Okay, this is M1 here, this is a row. Okay, row is represented with the cell and column is represented with the bit position. This is the column operation, bit 1, bit I and bit N. Okay, here this is follows this okay, CI1, CIJ, C1I, C1J, C1N. You have to follow the row operation. This is nothing but the match is followed with the row operation. This is the column operation. The entire register is, the entire result is stored in bit 1. Okay, this is the word 1, word I and word M. Okay, here only 3 operations are present. Whenever the match, okay, whenever the argument register has some content and associative memory has some content, that the 2 contents are matched. Here match 1 will be 1. Okay, but it does not match the argument register and associative memory. The match 1 is 0. Here the match, here if one or more unmasked bit of argument, what does not match, M is clear to, okay, 0. Okay, M does not matches, that is 0. Okay, M is matches, that equal to 1. In row wise and column wise it is matches, that is equal to 1, and does not match, the match is represented as 0. Here the final data is stored in match. Match 1, match I and match M. Okay, whenever the data of row is identified with argument register, then only match 1 is equal to 1. If the data of the argument register and associated to memory does not match, then the match 1 is a 0. Okay, this is about the associative memory hierarchy. Okay, let us see about the match logic. Already we discussed it in the hardware implementation of associative memory, match logic. Okay, one cell of associative memory. Okay, we have to particularly represent about the associative memory match logic. Already we discussed about the total associative memory consisting of argument register, key register and also associative memory. Individually we discussed about the what is the associative memory. In that associative memory, which cells are present in the associative memory. Here we have to discuss about the match logic. Okay, this is the one cell of associative memory. Here we have to take the input, write and read. Input, write and read. Here R means reset, S means set. Here R indicates reset, S indicates set. Okay, here we have to represent the AND OR gates. We have to represent this match logic and OR gates. The output, here we have to pass the input to this match logic. Here the output will be produced with the output. Okay, with the help of the output. Here we take the T0 is a timing signal. Here MI means match logic. Whether the argument register is identified with the associative memory, the match logic will be 1. Whether the argument register does not matches with the associative memory, it is represented as a 0. Okay, here FJI means the output is coming to the match logic from the input register. Fij is represented as match logic is coming from the input register. Here we have to take the input, write and read operation. Here we have to set and reset the operations of the match logic. R is represented with reset and S is represented with set. Okay, here match logic we have to give the input from Ij means argument register, Kj means key register. Okay, This is a match logic. Okay, individually we see the associative memory consisting of the cell in row wise and column wise. Whether the information is matches, the match 1 is equal to 0. Whether the information is not matches, the match 1 is 1. Does not match, it is a 0. If it is a matches, it's 1. Okay, the match logic getting the information from the AJ and KJ. AJ means argument register, KJ means key register. So this is the argument register. KJ means key register. The output will be enabled here, T0 MI. Okay. Fij means the input is coming from the one cell of associative memory. Input, write and read operation that is coming to the match logic. The total performance is occurred in this logic. The output will be placed in the one cell of associative memory. This is the output representation of the match logic. This is the output, one output representation. This is another output representation of the one cell of associative memory. For every individual cell, it is represented with the output. For every cell, we have to row wise, column wise, we have to require the output with M1 or bit 0, bit 1 or bit 2. This is a match logic definitions and algorithm. Okay, here we have to take AJ means. Okay, here AJ means argument register. Fij means the information coming from associative memory plus AJ bar and Fji bar. Okay, that is equal. That is presence in the AJ is represented as associative memory. Okay, here this is the argument register. The information is provided to from the one cell associative memory. Here AJ bar and Fij are the complement operation. That information is added and placed in the Xj. Xj means associate, is represented as a associative memory. Here Mi means it is represented as X1, X2, X3 and Xn. Here Xj is associative memory and Kj means key register. Xj, if Kj equal to 1, okay, already we know Kj means K means key register. The comparison is occurred when the K register is 1. Then only the comparison will be occurred. When the K register is 0, the comparison does not occur. Here we have two conditions. One means comparisons will be done. 0 means does not compare. Okay, here Mi for Mi values is x1, x2, x3 and so on xn. Here we have to take x1 of k, k1 bar, x2 of k2 bar, x3 of k3 bar and so on, xn of kn bar. Here Mi it represents the match values. Okay, match value that is represented with k register. Okay, here we have to take these are the match values and k represents the key register. Okay, here finally we have to place. Finally, the output will be present in the match logic. That's why you have to take match logic Mi equal to pi j minus 1 I aj Fij plus. Here we have to take xi. Xj is represented in this and plus kj. Kj means key register. This is a key register. Here the total value is known as an associative memory that is represented in Xj. Okay, here we have to place it in pi. These both values are combined. These final calculation is represented with the match logic. Okay, here the argument register, key register and match value is present in the match value. The match value is equal to that result. The argument register and associative memory have both the values are matches. The equation is like this. Okay, with the help of this equation we have to draw this diagram, match logic for one word of associative memory. with the help of AND gates and NAND gates, we using this match logic of one word of associative memory. Here we have to take the K1. Here we have to take K1, A1. K1 means key register, argument register, key register, argument register, key register and argument register. Here F-1 and F-2 are the output coming from the input registers. Whatever the input it may be, that is represented is FI1, FI1, FI1 bar, FI2 bar, FI2, FIN bar, FI1. Okay, with the help of these NAND gates, we have to represent. Okay, we have to represent the match logic for one word of associative memory. This is a match logic. With the help of that logic operation, with the help of that operation, we have to draw this picture for one word of match logic for one word of associative memory. Okay, with the help of these match logic, we have to identify. Okay, we have to draw the match logic of one word of associative memory. Okay, these are the terms that is associated in the memory. Okay, this is about the associative memory. What is associative memory? The associative memory of the program that is executed with the help of content. What is the content available in the address? Okay, content, this is also known as associative memory, also known as a content addressable memory, that is represented as CAM. Okay, the normal program that is executed with the help of CPU, only with the help of program, with the help of address, the program that can be executed with the help of program only. Okay, but in the associative memory, that is executed with the help of content addressing memory. That's why it is called as a content addressing memory. Okay, the time to required. Okay, in associative memory, we have to represent the execution time is very fast. That's why we have to prefer the associative memory. This is a block diagram of associative memory consisting of argument register, key register, associative memory, array and logic and match logic. Here argument register has some data and associative memory has some data. Whenever the key register is equal to 1, then only comparison is done between the argument register and also associative memory. Whenever the key register is 0, the argument is does not perform, the matching is does not perform any operation between the argument register and the associative memory. Okay, this is the example for the word comparison of the argument register and key register and memory, associative memory. Here the K value is 111. That's why you have to comparison only the 3 bits in the argument register and the associative memory. Here argument register is 101. Here word 1 has 100. The argument does not matches. The key does not matches. Here word 2 has 101 and argument has a 101. Here the match is performed between the argument register, key register, word 1 and word 2. Okay, this is about the associative memory of n word and n cell per word. Okay, this is a whole associative memory. In associative memory, it consisting of n word and n bits per word. In that we have to represent with the form of cells. Here C means nothing but a cell. The final result is stored in M1. If the argument register has a comparison between the argument register is matched with the associative memory, then only M value equal to 1. If does not match, M value equal to 0. Okay, this is a one cell associative memory with the help of argument register, key register, we have to implement, particularly this is a match logic. With the help of this, what is the performance of logic internally, this is the calculations about the match logic. With the help of that calculation, we have to implement this logic. Okay, next class we discuss about the cache memory. Okay, thank you.